Hello everyone, welcome back Search Creator YouTube channel. Okay, in previous video we will discuss about fourth beam in machine learning. The subject and the course code is BCS602 and the model question paper solution. Okay, so this is the model question paper solution. So in previous video we discuss about fourth B question. Wait a second. Yeah, this is the fourth big question. So we discussed in previously. I hope you understand everything. I think. Okay. Next, we discuss about in this video. We will model 3. So model 2 is model 1 and model 2. Both models are completed successfully completed. Now in this video, we're going to understanding the model 3. How much you can write in the exam hall and how to key points you can memorize in the exam easily. Okay, so the question 5A question. So the question is distinguish between first one is locally weighted regression and second one is linear regression. So distinguishing difference between these two. First one is locally weighted regression and second one is linear regression. So you can write like this only. So you can write like this only. Then only they give the marks. So for this question, they allocated marks is 10 marks. For this 5 marks. And next for this also 5 marks. So both addition is 10 marks. So you can write up to this type only. Firstly, we distinguish between the locally weighted regression versus linear regression. So firstly, what are the features are there in the each one locally weighted regression and linear regression. The features are nature and linear regression. In this difference is global model. It is a global model. In its nature is global model and locally weighted regression is LWR is local model. It is a linear regression is global model and locally weighted regression is a local model. Okay, and model form is singular linear equation for the entire data set. For the data set is single linear equation and first fit a new regression line for every prediction point. This is the second difference. And third difference is weighting equal importance to all data points. So this is the weighting for the weighting linear regression type. And second difference is locally weighted regression assigns more weight to nearby data points. So I hope you know all about these points. And the fourth point is computational cost low. It is a computational cost is very low. And next, locally weighted regression is cost high because computes model at prediction time. So that reason it cost is high, computation cost is high. And next, the fifth one is flexibility, flexibility, less flexible, assume globally linearity. This is the best linear regression type. And second is locally weighted regressions, more flexible. It is a very flexible, more flexible, adapt to local trends. So this is the point you can write. And the example of yes, use simple linear trend modeling, non-linear or region specific modeling. So you can write this type only because they asking the distinguish between one. So first one is locally weighted regression and linear regression. So that reason you can write like this only. If you point wise, so you can write any like a theory type. Then they do not understanding because it is scrolling now. So means online valuations. So they focus only point wise. So you can write like this only. You can read this type only and easily memorize in your mind. And second is multiple linear regression and logistic linear regression. Multiple linear regression and logistic regression. These two types of distinguish. First one is multiple linear regression and second one is logistic regression. Firstly, the feature is output type continuous numeric output. Here logistic regression categorical, usually binary output, means by two type output and equation forms y is equals to b0 b0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 up to xx bn xn up to like this in the multiple linear regression below. And here logistic regression, here p of y is equals to means it is a PCA like that. So 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus b0 plus bx1 b1 x1 plus up to bn xn up to like this. in the logistic regression, and the goal is predict a val. So this main goal is, in this main goal is multiple linear regression predict a value. Here logistic regression predict probability of the class and assumptions linear between independent and dependent variables in the below of multiple linear regression. And here logistic regression linearity between independent variables and log odds. So in the below of logistic regression, use cases are price prediction and weight estimation. So this is the main use cases for the multiple linear regressions. And the second one is logistic regression below spam detection. I hope you know this concept. And disease classification. I hope you heard about this classification also. And next, error function, mean squared error, MAC. And here also logistic regression cross entropy losses. I hope you know these, all these very newly, not newly, it is a very nearby concepts in machine learning. I hope you understanding all these distinctions. If anyone have doubt, please comment below, and you can write only like this only, because they understanding only point wise means it is a easy to understand, grabbing the evaluationers. So it is point wise and like this table wise, they easily out of out marks they provided. So that reason you should write like this only. If anyone have the doubt about how to write and how to read this, you should comment below and contact us. We solve your problem. Thank you for watching this video.